God says, don't believe what the world has to say about you. Instead, believe what I have to say about you. You are beautiful and wonderfully made. You are my child. I love you. You are going to be proud of yourself for not giving up. So keep going and make sure to prioritize your mind, body, and soul. You are supported in all ways and are not alone. The tears you have cried have watered the soil of your destiny. Prepare to reap a joyful harvest. They that sow in tears shall reap in joy. Let go of the worries about the past and focus on creating a beautiful future for yourself. May inner peace and love always be with you and guide you. Type Amen if you believe.